FlashFill is the biggest Excel hack out there and it will save you ton of time. In this video, I will show you use cases on how and when to use FlashFill, a Microsoft Excel function that recognizes patterns, and I guarantee that it will transform the way you work. What's up guys, I'm Dave, I'm a CPA, I go by Piggy Bank Accountant. I've been working with Microsoft Excel for more than 10 years and I put a lot of time researching the best use cases of FlashFill to save you the most time. Stay till the end because the last tip is straight fire. Let's dive into Excel. The first use case of FlashFill is actually to split names. If you have a listing like this one that has a first name and the last name in the same cell, you can just use FlashFill to split it really quick. First, all you have to do is type the first name and then the last name once, click on the cell below, hit Ctrl E on your keyboard, then again Ctrl E. Easy as that. You can also go in the data tab above and click on FlashFill under the data tools ribbon. The second example that is really useful is actually to clean data. Let's say you extracted a listing like this that has those little bars before and after the names you extracted. All you have to do is type the first name. So here I type M&M, enter, and then I click Ctrl E, and here we go, we remove those bars and we clean the data. The example number 3 is actually to merge names. So if you have a listing with the first name and the last name and you want to merge them together, you just have to type it in, Brad Pitt, here we go, enter, Ctrl E, and here we are. We have merged our names in a few seconds. Did you know that you can also merge dates with FlashFill? So here we are, we have a few dates here, we have the year, the month, and the day, and we want to collapse them. So we just put the month 11/29 and then the year 1993, enter, hit FlashFill, and look at this. The second row is actually the 21st of September 2006. All right, we want to know who stole the election. We have a lot of numbers here. At first, we have the number of votes, and at the end, we have, let's say, the state. So I want to split them. Super easy. I just type the first number, then I type the last number, hit Ctrl E again, click on the other cell, hit Ctrl E again, and here we go. We know who stole the election. Okay, this one is really nice. You have a lot of emails to draft. You have to do a marketing session spamming those people. So here we go. We draft that first email. I, Taylor Swift. I hope you enjoy learning these Excel tips. Please like the video. It will help spread it to more people. Thank you. Ctrl E, and boom, you drafted a lot of emails in a few seconds. More Excel tips right here.